Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the software. That means what is software? As you all know that computer is the combination of two things, or we can say that two things makes a computer. First one is a hardware and second one is a software. That means when hardware and software works together, so we can say that we are operating a computer system. So here, so whatever you can touch in a computer system, that is hardware, and whatever you cannot touch in a computer system, that is software. That means we can say that we can just feel that we are using that, but we cannot touch that. So that is a software. So now we will discuss about the software. So what is the software? A software or computer software, both are the same words. We can use a computer software or a software. Essentially a type of program which enables the user to perform some particular or specific task. That means software are the set of instructions or set of programs. So instructions are what? Instructions are that you write, जो कि आप लिखते हैं. So programs which enable the users to perform some particular task. So if you want to perform some tasks, so that time you will use the software. So we can say that software are a set of instruction or a set of programs that are used for performing a specific task. This one essentially directs all the peripheral devices. So the point is that we can focus on the peripheral devices. So peripheral devices is what? Peripheral devices are those devices that are actually connected to the computer system. So we can say that all the devices that are connected into the system, into the computer system, or we can say that the group of those devices that are connected to the computer system are called peripheral devices. For example, keyboard, mouse are the peripheral devices. So जो आपका कंप्यूटर सॉफ्टवेयर डायरेक्ट दिस पेरिफेरल डिवाइसेस. क्लियर? दैट मीन्स वी कैन से अ कंप्यूटर सॉफ्टवेयर डायरेक्ट ऑल द पेरिफेरल डिवाइसेस, ओके, ऑन द एंटायर कंप्यूटर सिस्टम. एक्चुअली कंप्यूटर जो सॉफ्टवेयर होता है वो आपका मैनेज करता है व्हाट एग्जैक्टली टू डू एंड हाउ एग्जैक्टली टू परफॉर्म अ टास्क. टास्क क्या टास्क है और कैसे होगा, दिस प्रोसेस इज डन बाय अ कंप्यूटर सॉफ्टवेयर. नाउ अ सॉफ्टवेयर प्लेज अ की रोल ऑफ ए मीडिएटर बिटवीन द यूजर एंड द computer hardware. That means I have already told you that the computer is a combination of hardware and software. So actually software perform a key role, or we can say that software play a role or mediator between a computer and user. So we are the user and computer hardware is there. If we want to operate a computer hardware or we want to use a computer hardware, that means we can say that if we have a printer and we want to use that printer, so we must be install a driver for that. Or driver is what? Driver is a software. So driver or a software is a mediator for using the between a user and the computer system. So whatever we want to use, so we must install a computer or driver for that. In the absence of the software, a user essentially cannot perform any task on a computer. So this is a very important line. That means if in absence of a software, if you haven't a software in your computer system, for example, if you does not install a operating system in your computer, operating system is an example of software. That means we can say a Windows operating system. If you will not install a Windows operating system in your computer, at that time you cannot use your computers, or you cannot access your computer, you cannot access all the features of that computer, you cannot use the hardware of that system if you will not install a Windows operating system or any other operating system in your computer system.